Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see what is the preview, debug and publishing mode of Matomo Tag Manager. Let's start by defining a little bit more what is the preview and debug mode. As its name stands for it, it's a feature which allows you to see if the implementation of the container that you define is going to work or not, and it's going to give you some hints about what is working and as well what is not working and how you should fix it. The publishing mode is the one that you activate once you are 100% sure that your container is correct. Let's now see a little bit more in practice and in details how we can use those different features in Matomo Tag Manager. Okay, so here we are in Matomo Tag Manager, and we would like to test if the implementation of our tag, triggers and variable is correct. So what you shouldn't do is to click here on publish straight away, because you never know if something bad could happen. For example, your variable could not pick up the value that you are expecting. Maybe your triggers are not working the way that they should do. Maybe the tags that you are implementing, if you are using the custom HTML tag, for example, can technically break your website. Well, you don't know that until it's published, but you don't want to have your visitors to be your guinea pig. So that's why you choose here the preview and debug mode. So once the preview and debug mode is activated, you need to use the following parameter to append it to your URL in order to activate it. So you need to copy and paste this part and put it here. It may happen that in some cases you may not see it. If that's the case, just push the CTRL keypad plus F5 in order to clear your cache out, and you will see that probably after this this process you should see the preview and debug mode activated that you can see here below. So this preview mode is working this way. So here on the left you have the different events which have been triggered, and in order to know what have been triggered as tags within it, you need to click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, if you go down here the page, you will see the different tags which are fired and the number of time they have been fired for the given page, and as well just below you will see the tags which are not fired. So in my case, this event analytics tag is not launched at the page view level, so that's a good news for me. If you would like to analyze a little bit more your triggers, you can just click over here and you will get the description of the different triggers which have been triggered here. Here in variables you will see the different values which have been taken by the variable. So here, for example, I don't have a variable publishing date on this given page, so that's the reason why the variable is empty. However, regarding the Matomo configuration, I get the value that I set within the backend of Matomo Tag Manager. And here, as I have not yet clicked on an element, this variable is still empty. But you can imagine that if I'm clicking, for example, here on this given element, as I just did, if I look here at all element clicks, which is the events which is associated to this given tag, I will see that the click text have been fulfilled with the data that I clicked on. And so as the triggers and the variable, you get as well the data layer. So here's the data layer description with all the different values which are inserted within it. So right now there's not much to analyze, but you will see in another video that I will play with the data layer and explain how you can fulfill it with some data. And here you have the logs, which is showing you the different big events which happen in the life of your container. Okay, once you test that all your triggers are working properly and they are pushing the right values thanks to the variable and the tags, you can be confident and click here on the publish button in order to send your container live on your website. And here you just need to give the explicit name to your version, then to describe it properly, And then if you are 100% sure of what you are doing, click on this second button over here, right? This is the one with controlling the publication, not this one, right? This one is just here as a security, right, in order to ensure that you went until the end of the page, and in order to really confirm that you are confident that your container is the good one and can be live. Okay, and that's it regarding our video about the preview, debug, and publish mode. I really hope that you enjoy it. As an exercise, please have a look and try the preview and debug mode. That's probably one of the most important features of Matomo Tag Manager, as it allows you to retry everything that you experiment within the backend without breaking your website. Just to let you know that the data collected at your browser level will be, of course, pushed to Matomo, and thanks to a feature that we developed, you have the possibility to delete this given traffic within the back end of Matomo within the privacy part. Thanks for watching.